Namaste, all of my dear students. You are welcome to the next video of social studies. So today I came here to teach you some social problems in Nepal. So about the corruption that I have already taught you. Now I want to talk about the drug abuse. These topics are necessary to know by all the students of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that. These all students, because school age is the such age where this type of habit can be. So I want to aware the students through the teaching learning activities not to follow, don't use any kinds of drugs item, because these are illegal. It can be harmful for us. There are the different types of problem can be in our health. So that I am teaching this topic here, my dear students. Simply I want to talk about this drug abuse, लागू पदार्थ दुर्व्यसन. Drug abuse means what? लागू पदार्थ दुर्व्यसन. Introduction here given for this. Simply, what is drug abuse? An illegal and excessive use of drug is called drug abuse. लागू पदार्थ दुर्व्यसन भनेको कि इलिगल र एक्सेसिभ means more, right? जति डोज हो डोज भन्दा बढी excessive. So an illegal and excessive use of drug is called drug abuse. Drug abuse भनेको लागू पदार्थ दुर्व्यसन भनेको धेरै मात्रामा र इलिगल जुन गभर्नमेन्टले ब्यान्ड गरेको छ, हेल्थको दृष्टिकोणले ब्यान्ड गरेको छ, त्यो पदार्थहरू धेरै भन्दा धेरै युज गर्नु, दैट इज कॉल्ड ड्रग एब्यूज. Yeah, so drug abuse and addiction have a negative consequences on individual and society. Negative consequences on individual and society. Individual means a व्यक्ति र समाजमा पनि यसको नकारात्मक असर हुन्छ. This drug abuse and addiction have a negative consequences. यसले नकारात्मक असर पार्छ. या यसले हाम्रो शरीरमा नकारात्मक असर पार्छ. हाम्रो ब्रेन काम गर्न छोड्छ, हार्ट अट्याक हुन सक्छ, है, विभिन्न किसिमको क्यान्सर लाग्न सक्छ. Means different problem can be to the individual. It also impact negative consequences on society. It means on society started fighting. Yes, domestic violence, different other problem can be arises. So this is illegal and this is not good. Yeah, so drug abuse and addiction have a negative consequences on individual and society. That is okay, my dear student. Next on that, this is one of the serious public health problem. Drug abuse is a serious public health problem that affect almost every community. यो सम्पूर्ण समुदायलाई, सबै कम्युनिटीलाई यसले के गर्छ भने असर पार्ने गर्दछ. यसले के गर्छ भने ठूलो असर पार्ने गर्दछ सम्पूर्ण समुदायलाई, सम्पूर्ण कम्युनिटीलाई. दिस क्यान इम्प्याक्ट, माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट, दिस इम्प्याक्ट टु द कम्युनिटी. सिमिलरली इट क्यान लिड द होमलेस. यसले के गर्छ? होमलेसनेस बनाउँछ. होमलेसनेस भनेको के? घरबार विहीन बनाउँछ. किन? कोही व्यक्ति ड्रग युज गर्यो, उसलाई विभिन्न किसिमको रोग लाग्छ. त्यो रोगको उपचार गर्दा गर्दै घरबार सबै बिग्न जान्छ, घरबार सबै बर्बाद हुन्छ र सडकमा जाने गर्दछ. माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स, प्लिज नेभर डू दिस टाइप अफ वर्क. Why this topic I am teaching here? To aware you. So homelessness also increase the crime. यसले क्राइम पनि बढाउँछ, है, यसले क्राइम पनि निम्त्याउँछ. विभिन्न किसिमको घटना, क्राइम इत्यादि, चोरी डकैती, विभिन्न किसिमको क्रियाकलापहरू पनि यसले बनाउँछ. लस अफ इम्प्लॉयमेन्ट. इफ पीपल have employment opportunity, then that can be loss. किन? यस्ता किसिमको क्राइमहरू, यस्ता किसिमको क्रियाकलापहरू गरेपछि के हुन्छ भने कसैले रुचाउँदैन, कसैले मन पराउन चाहदैन. जसले गर्दाखेरि के हुन्छ भने रोजगार अथवा जे रोजगारी पाएको हुन्छ, दुई पैसा कमाउनको लागि त्यो पनि घुम्न जान्छ. Failure in school, because if a students who start to use the drugs, after that their mind can be imbalance, means can't be balance, no balance, imbalance. So due to that they fail also in school. college, like that. Also start the domestic violence. Different types of bad domestic violence also start due to the drug abuse. Yeah, my dear student, these are the very bad, very bad, very bad. So, some of the drugs used and supplied by the drug users and drug traffickers, अथवा जो लागु पदार्थमा लागेका जो दलालहरू हुन्छ, लागेका जो ट्राफिकर हुन्छ, केही किसिमका जो ड्रग्सहरू सप्लाई गर्ने गर्दछ, दिस आर एउटा भयो हेरोइन, गाँजा, स्मैक्स, cocaine, cannabis. These are the items which are illegal. These are the items which are illegal, and this type of items are supplied, and youths, they are teenagers, they are using this type of items, but that is totally absolutely bad for health, and they never be a healthy, and that can impact not only the individual, also impact to the other, means that also impact to the community, family, etc, etc, etc. My dear student, these are about the drug abuse, short introduction. Now I want to talk about the next topic of the same. यसैको अर्को टपिकको बारेमा म कुरा गर्न चाहन्छु यहाँ. That is our topic, that it is very difficult to stop drug abuse. It is very difficult to stop the drug abuse. Trafficking. Due to the following reasons. My dear friends, it is now very difficult to stop the abuse, stop drug abuse and trafficking due to the following reason. What are the reason? Due to such reason, still now not control, and not this type of problem, still not this type of social problem, that is still not ended. What are the different reason? About that reason I want to talk. First one, Okay, my dear student, our next topic that it is very difficult to stop the drug abuse and trafficking due to the following reason. Now, this is a very difficult work to stop this type of work. यस्तो किसिमको कार्यहरू अहिले स्टप गर्न धेरै डिफिकल्ट भइरहेको छ। यसको पछाडि धेरै कारण छ। के यस्तो कारण हो? ड्यू टु सच रिजन still this drug abuse not controlled. What are the such reason? About that reason I want to talk, my dear student, here. The first one that traffickers it means दलाल जो यस्ता ड्रग एब्युजको बिजनेस गर्ने गर्छ, ड्रगहरुको दलाली गर्ने गर्दछ. So traffickers run this business and organized way भनेको एकदम अर्गनाइज्ड वेबाट यिनीहरु बिजनेस गर्छ. मतलब च्यानल मिलाएको हुन्छ धेरै. इन्डियामा च्यानल, बोर्डरमा च्यानल, त्यसपछि गएर बोर्डर पछि यताको मा च्यानल, मार्केटमा च्यानल, विभिन्न ठाउँमा उनीहरु च्यानल मिलाएको हुन्छ. एकदम अर्गनाइज्ड वे. एकजनाबाट सम्भव नभइकन धेरै जना यसमा मिलेको हुन्छ. या so these traffickers run this business and organized way, so this is difficult to control. त्यसैले यो डिफिकल्ट भइरहेको छ केका लागि? To control the business, this business difficult to control. त्यही भएर यो डिफिकल्ट भइरहेको छ कन्ट्रोल का लागि. Okay, my dear student. Next one, they use their private means of transportation to supply it. They use the private means of transportation. एकदम प्राइभेट गाडीहरू, साधनहरू, यातायातका प्राइभेट यातायातका साधनहरू उनीहरूले प्रयोग गर्छ. प्राइभेट यातायातका साधनहरू प्रयोग गरेकोले गर्दाखेरि के हुन्छ भने policemen they check in checking post about the public buses but they don't check about the private. So they use the private means of transportation for the supplying of this. त्यसले सप्लाई गर्नको लागि के गर्छ उनीहरु? प्राइभेट means of transportation प्रयोग गर्ने गर्दछ. So due to the using of private means of transportation, this problem rising. Next one, they have good link in custom airport. Custom means जस्तै बोर्डरको कस्टम कार्यालयमा, भन्सार कार्यालयमा उनीहरुसँग राम्रो लिंक हुन्छ. एयरपोर्टमा राम्रो लिंक हुन्छ. त्यहाँ पनि कमिसन फाल्ने गर्छ, कमिसन दिने गर्दछ. So that they are able to supply such bad illegal items to our country. So next one, my dear student, that is they have a good deal of money. They have a good deal of money in this business. यो बिजनेसमा के हुन्छ भने धेरै भन्दा धेरै मनीको डिलिङ हुने गर्छ. किनभने युज गर्ने ड्रग एब्युजर्सहरुलाई धेरै ह्याबिट भइसकेको हुन्छ. त्यो ह्याबिट भएकोले गर्दाखेरि उनीहरु के गर्छ भने दे पे द मोर और हाई मनी. धेरै भन्दा धेरै पैसा उनीहरुले तिर्ने गर्छ. त्यो धेरै भन्दा धेरै पैसा तिरेर अनि त्यसपछि गएर के गर्छ भने त्यस्ता किसिमको आइटम्सहरु युज गर्ने गर्दछ. त्यस्ता किसिमको ड्रग्स आइटमहरु युज गर्ने गर्दछ. Yes. So there is a good deal, so that this business, this activities is still now and unable to control this business. Next on that, youths have also lack of awareness about the bad impact of drugs. Youthहरुलाई के गर्छ? सबभन्दा मेन समस्या छ youthहरुलाई. They have lack of awareness. Still they are not aware. उनीहरु अहिलेसम्म पनि उनीहरुलाई चेतना छैन. If I use the such drugs item which are harmful for our health, then what types of problem can be increased, what types of problem can be rise? They have lack of such type of awareness. Due to the lack of such type of awareness, they still engage this type of activities, still unable to control it, unable to stop it. My dear student, these are about the such topics. Now I want to give you some work. Okay, my dear student, what is drug abuse? First, you have to define what are the drug items are used and supplied in the market, and also write why drug abuse not control still. Why drug abuse not control still? This is the homework, and also learn such topics. Now I will stop my class here. Hasta, namaste. See you again. Thank you.